guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you guys how I'm going to be making a Christmas card. So I am inspired by this Make Christmas Cards magazine, and in case anybody was wondering, I just purchased this magazine at Joann's. It also came with like a whole bunch of free papers and die cuts and a stamp set. It came with so much, guys, which is why it cost like $25. But totally worth it because I love Christmas inspiration. And they have a template that also came with the book, but I'm not going to be using this. I kind of created my own in the Silhouette program, but you can totally use this. You actually don't even have to use this. You could create a square based card. And then these are so easy to make, just strips of paper to layer on top of like the mantle of like a, you know, because it's supposed to be like a fireplace. So you could just make the layering pieces so easy and just cut them out. The fireplace might be a little bit more difficult to do, but you could also just print and cut, like fussy cut, even an image of a fireplace that you just find online. So it doesn't have to be the same way, but I thought I would share with you guys my video of putting this together. So I have a file that I created in the Silhouette program. All I did actually was just scan this on my printer, because my printer also scans, and it scanned it to my computer. I put in the image into the Silhouette program, and then I traced everything. Then I kind of just made my own like dotted line, cut line right here, as you guys could see for the card base. I edited some lines because it wasn't straight. And I just like labeled everything, and I'm going to be cutting this out now. So I also have the picture here of what it's supposed to look like, or like something similar, like along the lines, like so I know what the base of the card is supposed to look like. And I'm going to cut out these pieces. So the base of my card is going to be white. I don't have brick paper, but I'll find something to cut out with this. I'll find something to cut out with this. This part is easy. You need some yellow, gray, brown, and like a white background layer, which is fine. Acetate for like the clear front part of the card, and then the inside background part, which I want something fairly light so that somebody could still write a message on the back. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, can you even write a message on this thing? I don't even know, because it's gonna be like so open, but I think it's such a cool card that I wanted to make it anyway. So we're gonna make this, and I'm gonna cut out my pieces, and I'll be back to show you guys how I put it together. Okay guys, so I have everything cut out here, including my pieces of acetate. The first thing I'm going to do is take my card base. So I'm just going to crease it along the edges here, or you know, along this piece here. And then I'm going to layer the acetate piece on the inside. You guys could see it overhangs a little bit, but I could just cut off the rest. I don't mind that. So what I'm going to do is use some pop dots, or not pop dots, some glue dots, sorry. And I just want to minimize the amount of, I guess, the amount of glue that will be showing. So I'm actually just going to put these right here at the top. There's another. I'm not good with these pop dots, guys, but I try. Okay, maybe I'll just go like this. Okay, that worked actually pretty good. All right, anyway, so I'm gonna line this up, the acetate, and then I'm simply just gonna close it along that line and make sure my pop dot is like sticking to the acetate. So now I have like this cute little a window right here. I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna do the other one. I just like to do 2 at a time, and I'm actually also doing 2 card swaps, so I thought I would just make 2 while I'm at it. And I hope this gives you guys some ideas of what you guys could do with acetate. I just recently like discovered kind of acetate cards, and they're so fun to me to make. Like, I think they're like absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do is just layer my pieces on top. So I have these pieces, and I did like an internal offset so that it just kind of like goes on top. But so you could still see like a edge a little bit. So I'm going to put glue on here. Okay, so there's that layer, and then I'm just gonna build on the other pieces here. So I have my brick layer. So just putting a strip of glue here. And then I also have the other layer. Oh guys, it's looking so cute. Okay, let me do the other one. Same way. Okay, so I have all of those pieces now. Those are stuck on. Now I gotta build my fireplace. So I have this, and I was actually thinking of putting this on that side, so we'll see. I have my little layering pieces. So it's just gonna go something like this. And then my little fire. Oh, look how gorgeous that looks, guys. Looking beautiful. I don't even know how to like stick this on though without anything showing. I guess what you can do is do like the back side also, but I don't know how you would do such a thing. So I'm just gonna put some glue right here because I need to layer this other piece on top or underneath my little like wood chips. Okay, so I have my wood, and then I need to layer my fire on top of that, or I guess behind that technically, and it's gonna go like that. I guess this would be a great idea to have layered the back pieces as well, but we're gonna end up sticking this on here, and I'm hoping it will dry clear because it's supposed to. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if I should put pop dots or, I mean, I guess there's pop dots all over this already, right? So maybe I should just do like one little pop dot on here. So I'm gonna do pop dot onto my little fire. Oh, it took a part. A redo. Hold on. It wasn't dry, so it took my fire off of here. Okay, so I'm just actually gonna stick this on here. I'm not even gonna bother gluing the rest. I think as long as I have my little pop dot, the rest we'll just have to glue on top of it. Okay, so I have my little fire there. Gorgeous little fireplace. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, so on the inside here, I was thinking of putting in this guy in here. I think that looks nice. And then this guy was gonna go here on just craft cardstock, but I'm not liking that actually, so we're not gonna do that one for now. We'll put this guy in here, but the other one, I'm not sure kind of like what color paper to put back there. I have to look through my stash, but I already like looked and I didn't know what would match. Something that I need, like I need something where it's light enough for somebody to still be able to write a message. But I don't know, I wasn't finding anything in my stash. But this one is nice because you can still write a message on top of it, and that like blends together well. So you know what, maybe we'll just finish decorating this one, and then this one I'll have to finish another time. So here I used the stamp set that also came with the magazine, and this is what the stamp set looked like, and I wanted to use the little stocking. You guys could see there's that little stocking right there. So what I actually did was stamped it on a piece of paper, and then I did the whole pick scan thing with the silhouette. You guys can see this is a pick scan mat. So then I scanned that onto the computer, digitalized it, and then print and cut some already with the lines. So all I have to do now is just color some of these in, and then I could kind of just like stick them on here. Like, look how cute that looks. So I have some Copic markers. I'm not a really good colorer, nor do I really know what I'm doing. You know, I'm gonna test one out. I have like some ones that didn't cut too good, so I'm gonna test one out on here because like I don't know what color to color these in. Stripes on everything, but this is my test one. We got that, and then maybe I want to do the purple. I don't know if this purple is gonna be good. I don't think I want to do that. Maybe we'll do dark pink. No, this is crimson, this is red. I don't know about that, guys. The green looks good. Let's try another one. Let's try a dark purple. This is very dark, guys. I don't have a lot of markers, but you know what? I think that dark purple will kind of work with this. And let's do that green again. That looks cute, guys. Then I'm gonna color in the bottom part of the sock. Oh, it's looking so good. Okay, how many more of these do I need to make? That looks actually really cute, guys. So I'm going to speed up this process and I'm gonna make a whole bunch more. My socks are looking so good. Wow, guys. I didn't know I know how to Copic marker color. I literally like bought these at the Scrapbook Expo in August, and I used them once since. Then somebody recommended this paper, like a specific like Nina cardstock kind of paper, and I haven't had a chance to try it until now, and man, this is working out pretty good, if I may say so myself. I'm doing the same thing, so I'm kind of alternating this color, and then I'm going back and adding in a little darker shade and then trying to blend it out to the best of my ability. So I'm just kind of adding in a little bit to the edges here, and you guys see how rough this is, so then I kind of like drag out that color. But then again, this is not a Copic marker tutorial, so I'm not gonna go into depth. This is a tutorial on how to make this beautiful fireplace card that's coming together so nicely. But if you guys want to see videos on like how I even do all this stuff on Silhouette, like how I even put a stamp onto Silhouette and then print and cut it, like let me know, because I could totally do that also. Look at these fabulous socks, guys. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put these on some pop dots because I think I need some dimension. I have these foam squares, so we're gonna use those. Yep, I guess we're using half squares. Oh, I'm loving how these are turning out. All right, so they're so cute. Oh my goodness, guys. These are adorable. Okay, so then the next thing I'm going to do, I think I just want to put like some jewels around here on the edges, or you know what, let's use like a stickle. All right, so we're going to use, I think, this coppery one, and I was gonna use these little gemmies, but I think they're a little too gold, so I'm just going to add dots around the edges here, and those will dry overnight, and I think it'll just add a little something to this project. That looks better already, guys. So I'm just adding in these little dots, and I'm trying to space them out as evenly as possible. Look how cute that looks, guys. It just adds like a little something to the project. And then, because I think you can never have too much glitter, I'm gonna add some Wink of Stella to the ribbons on the socks. So I'm just gonna add some of this. And then maybe like, ooh, maybe I want to put it on the lines on the inside of the sock too. Oh my goodness. That looks even prettier than I had thought it was gonna look. Wow guys, look how gorgeous that looks. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it really does look gorgeous. So pretty. Okay, the last thing I think I want to do is like draw some wooden kind of lines in here. I don't know if I could draw thin enough lines with this though. If I could just like, see, that's what I don't want to do. I don't want to draw like those thick lines, but these thin ones, we're gonna try to draw it in here. I just think it needs like some lines in the wood. Alright, I think that looks better. And the last thing I wanted to do is just put like a couple of jemmies inside of the fire. And I might not like these jemmies, but I thought we could add in a few jemmies. And that's it for this card. Oh my god, it's beautiful, guys. I don't know, I'm blown away right now. It is beautiful. So pretty, guys. Don't worry if you don't have a silhouette or anything, guys, because you could totally do this by hand. All you need to do is make a square card base. Then you just have to draw, cut strips of paper, one thinner and then one thicker and a little shorter though. And then you could just cut this part out by hand, just like a nice round piece for the fireplace. And it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this because I think it's absolutely beautiful. So here are the finished cards. I ended up adding a sentiment. This one just says Merry Christmas that I had print and cut using my Silhouette machine. I think it turned out so gorgeous. And then here's the inside. You could totally layer something over this and make it pretty, but you know, to be honest, like, I don't think it looks that bad. Like, obviously you need to stick it down somehow. I don't think it looks bad. I don't know, but that's just me. Then this one, I ended up adding a sentiment that says Happy Holidays. I thought this one looked more Christmassy, so it says Merry Christmas. And then this other one, I just was like, yeah, this is more holiday-y, I guess. So this one says Happy Holidays, and I popped it up on some foam as well. You could see some foam here, but it just popped up on foam. So here are the two finished cards, and I think they turned out absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye!